wonder what he's thinking. I never really think about what birds think, do you? I mean, they sing, and I think maybe, I'm just guessing here, maybe they are all singing the same song to a different tune. And what's the song? I trusted. I trusted. Hey, you think he's worried about where he's going to get his meal from tomorrow? No, I don't think so. Jesus didn't quote an authority that maybe people recognized, but he quoted an example that he knew about that they didn't know about. The birds don't worry. Because their confidence is in God who feeds them every day. Learn from the birds. Learn that if you put your confidence in God, listen, the real solution to your anxiety is to learn something from the birds. Are you not worth more than birds? He created us in His image. He's going to take care of us. And so that's the solution. Deal with your doubt, put your faith in your God, and know that the illustration He gave is, I feed everything every day. What you worried about? The real problem is not only that you have doubted God, and imagine doubting God, the one who's proved Himself. Imagine that. Not only have you doubted God, but you've not shown any consistent evidence of faith. Faith is not a one-time thing. It's a lifestyle.